Cash out. Boom, bam, hey man, say man, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. It's your boy Vader full time, man. And look, we got the Yukon in the back, so we got some snow going on here. Look at this. But what we're doing today, as you can tell by the thumbnail and title, is we're going to a truck show, man. Yeah, so we're gonna hit up the boys and we're all gonna slide out. So let's go ahead and get a cold start on this boy for y'all. Let's see. Yeah, Lee. Boy, clapping. That's what I'm saying. Sweet. Yep. She is slapping. Always love cold starts on the whip. Literally always love. Look at that. Boy, oof. Hey, at least I can see this time though. I put a clip up of the last time it snowed, I could not see. My brakes are going dummy. Here we are. Sliding out. I'm gonna flip you guys around because the camera contrast is way better this way. You know, it's like you can actually see me. So yeah, because the POV, I feel like, look at that, it's off a little bit unless I go to the dash only, but we're not doing no top speed runs, so we'll be over here. But yeah, man, we're on the way to this meet. I will show you guys the flyer. If you guys want me to update y'all like before the meets go, so like I thought about this, or it's actually a truck show. So I'm sure most of you guys that watch my videos, you know, follow all of the like major truck Instagram accounts, you know what I'm saying? And you guys get updates on when all the shows are. But if not, I will repost them, like, you know, just so you guys can see me at the show, or I'll let you know if I'll be at the show, whatever. So yeah, the guy that hosted is named Thorpe Money. That's his Instagram. I'll put it up on screen now so you guys can start seeing that. But yeah, those are the guy. That's the guy who shows I'm gonna primarily go to because he hosts some of the craziest shows out there, you know, car and truck shows. So shout out to that guy.
Styles, we was young and wild and broken, lost shit. I ain't have 1,000. Then I started grinding, looked around, I ain't see niggas.
Good old Mickey D's. But can't scrub the sixes, so let me cut the cam. Yes, sir. Look where we at. Good old Mickey Donald's. You know the vibes. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get this freaking bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Look at that. 5% hit, huh? Now the back though, that 520, you can tell it's a bit darker. Yeah. Chilling. Alright boys, so we're gonna stop at the gas station, get a quick little top off before we do hit the highway, and then we'll grab something to drink as well to go with this bacon, egg, and cheese. Yeah, pretty much. About to smack on this right quick and slide out. That guy. Let's go. Yes, sir. Here we are. En route. About to go ahead up the speed limit back. Plan on bringing a car to the channel, man, because I don't know if I want to, you know, like finance or buy a new car, or build a car, you know. I'd rather build a car because I know exactly what I want, like exactly what I would build, and I could do it for a fairly good amount of money, way cheaper than what I will buy, you know, if I were to buy something. Because what I'm gonna buy, I'm gonna spend the money for the technology, if that makes sense, you know. I'm not talking electric car, but I'm talking like, I'm still going V8, but I'm talking about like, you know, stuff with like, you know how the electronic managements and stuff on the newer cars, you know, with tunes and all that is pretty actually good what they do. So that is actually what my plan is, either to build something, you know, whatever I build, I'm gonna LS, and it's gonna be insane. LS, you know, T56 Trans is gonna be, you know, pretty good. But yes, sir, that is my plans to bring cars to the channel. What y'all think? Get the Bentayga? The Bentley? Ooh. I got a white bitch.
I put out a 20 and fucked up a dub because like that.
Like that.
Like that. I'm smoking no dank. I know that you ain't. You running the streets while I run in the bank. I'm lost.
You haven't
Press a
arrived.
button, take the top off. All gas, no brakes, no face, no case. You make one false move and we eating this plate. All the niggas be tripping, type air out the way. I'm a big player, I put dick in this.
Yo, pulled up deep. Got the boy Eddie. Shit. Slang sixes. Magneto coming on Friday? Okay. Nice.
Put it on for me, baby. It's right there. It's open.
Distributors, them hollows you can smell it through the city with cologne. Don't aim it, you just shoot it like this. I know you got expensive ass camera.
I like Jason's shit.
Man, look, my VCO be pulling up deep. Look at that. They pull up super deep. Got the boy cheeks. Let's go to the front. Sheesh. Got this super dumped Yukon right here. Bro. Alright, y'all. With the speakers in the bed, that's hard. Gotta get down, you know. What y'all think? Cognito swap on my Yukon? Yes or not? It's hard. Sheesh. I forgot whose old truck this is. Legit going. I bet. Sheesh. Yes, sir. The boy got the sixes. The LTZ's going hard. No kizzy. You know. Shout out Rough Country. Alright, boys. Got the Yukon parked up. Sheesh. Sheesh. To slam the dolly though? I like it. It's hard. With the caddy racks as well. Pretty nice. This is probably a good thing to swing, you know. I got the Denali in it, 6.0, so pretty nice unit right here. What the fuck? Golly. Yo, rip everybody's 5.3s, man.
I was in my bag, 60 rounds under my top. All my guns got steady, man. Put no tags up on my track off, cause I plan on doing the dab. After I get away, re-rap it all black. Got your flow before you play, you gotta be smarter than that. I'm trying to go back and rebuild the hood while I was starving it. And it's a fact, fuck on hollow, I send hollow bitches like a quarterback.
All my brags turn to facts, all my hunters turn to racks, all my ladies turn to snacks. SUVs black on black, SUVs black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact.
Yo, I seen hitters turn to rats. Went from him to them cats. Member tread me in my track. SUVs black on black. I see him talking to, can't wait to slam him out. Can't slap. Brr, 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 brr.
Golly. about? Now this is ridiculous right here. This is like
shit ride. Hey, let this shit ride. Hey, you know I ain't gonna let this shit slide. Let's go, let's go. Hey, roll the wood there. Hey, I'm in this boots on hold. Let's go. Hey. I have a bread like Popeye, pop my steady. Hey, smell like the dead in
Hey, move my truck so I can get a good place to park at. So when I leave,
come on, bro, let's hurry up and make the block hot. No, y'all should let them slide. Blah, 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 blah. Chop, 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 chop. Blessings on that bitch, hold up.
deep out here.
She got all them braces up on her like she need or something.
Everybody sliding, son.
Play with me, won't drop a diss, I'm getting drunk. No motherfucking sense, I ain't getting in that car.